Hello my friend, and welcome back to Survival Superhero. Now we've got something a bit different for you here today. This right here is the new Oukitel OT5 Tablet. It's a new mid-range Android tablet, but it's actually got some high-end features as well. Now, it is not, I repeat, it is not a rugged tablet. Now, the display actually is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, but there is no drop protection, there's no military standard rating, and there's no waterproofing or dust proofing. But sometimes we do talk about things outside the realm of rugged tech on this channel, and this is going to be one of those times. So I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this tablet in this video, so you can decide whether or not it's worth your hard-earned dollars. And at the end of the video, we're even going to compare the OT5 with the Blackview Tab 16 to see which one comes out on top. Now, let's get straight into this video, starting with the price. The OT5 is currently priced at $200 on Oukitel's website and on AliExpress. You can hit the link in the description below to check it out or to purchase one. What's in the box? The OT5 comes with everything you see here, including the tablet, a stylus, a USB data cable, the charger, quick start guide, warranty card, the manual, and color protective film. Now let's talk about the body. So it comes in 3 different colors. You've got gray, blue, and green. It measures 278.5 millimeters tall by 174 millimeters wide, and it's only 7.5 millimeters thick, which is 10.96 inches tall by 6.85 inches wide and 0.29 inches thick. And it weighs 560 grams or 1.23 pounds. And the housing is made out of plastic and aluminum. Display. It's got a 12-inch 2K IPS capacitive touchscreen display running at 1200 by 2000 resolution, 195 ppi pixel density, and the screen brightness is over 300 nits. It's got an 86% screen to body ratio with an aspect ratio of 5:3 and 1000:1 contrast. The screen is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and the screen is also TUV SUD certified to emit lower amounts of blue light to help protect your eyes. Storage. It's got 12 gigabytes of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 24 gigabytes of virtual RAM. It's got 256 gigabytes of UFS storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes, and it does support USB OTG. CPU and GPU. It's got an octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and a Mali G57 MC2 1100 MHz GPU. Battery. It's got an 11,000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charge that will charge from 0 to 100% in 3.5 hours. Now the battery gives you 11 hours of video, 14 hours of gaming, 38 hours of calling, 41 hours of music, and up to 1200 hours or 50 days in standby. Let's take a look at the cameras. So the front camera is an 8 megapixel with OmniVision OV8856 sensor. Now the main rear camera is 16 megapixels with a Samsung S5K 3P3SM sensor. And it's also got a 2 megapixel macro camera. Now both the front camera and the rear camera can shoot HD 1080p video at 30 FPS. And here's some of the other features. So it's got 4 1217 speakers. It runs Android 13, Bluetooth 5.2, it's got a 3.5mm headphone jack, You can use facial recognition to unlock the device, authorize payment, and access personalized features. It features split screen mode for multitasking, and you can connect it to a touch keyboard to turn it into a 12-inch PC. Network. As far as network types, it supports GSM, WCDMA, FDD, and TDD. And here is a list of the frequency bands that it supports. Now let's take a look at the Oukitel OT5 versus the Blackview Tab 16. So Oukitel OT5 is pretty much competing directly with the Blackview Tab 16. So here are some of the comparisons. The Oukitel has a larger body and is actually thinner than the Blackview. The Blackview weighs less. Oukitel's got a larger screen. Oukitel's got a higher screen to body ratio. They both have the same resolution. Oukitel's got a better chipset and a better Antutu score. Oukitel's got more RAM. They both use the same RAM type. Oukitel's internal storage is better. Oukitel's storage is more expandable. Oukitel's got a larger battery. They both have 18-watt charging. Oukitel's got a better main camera. They both have the same main camera aperture. And now Blackview's actually got a better front camera. Blackview's Wi-Fi connectivity is better. Oukitel's got the better Bluetooth. Oukitel's got newer Android OS. They are equal with SIM card options. Oukitel's works with TDD, but Blackview does not. Oukitel's got a 3.5mm headphone jack. And that about does it. Final thoughts on the OT5. This is a great tablet on a budget. And if you're looking for a solid Android tablet for under $200, the OT5 might be for you. You can hit the links in the description below to check it out for more information or to purchase one. So, what do you think of the new Oukitel OT5 tablet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please share this video if you have found it helpful and you'd like to help this channel grow. And then you can click right here for another great tech video, and I will see you there.